Hi guys, I'm reviewing this really nice wire charger here. It's pretty long. This is it all right here. And you can charge your iPhones and your Androids. Those are so nice. I'm glad I have one of these. And there's the other end right here. I like that this is very, very strong. Feels like a strong wire type material. And I like the color of it too. If you guys want to order one, the link is down below. I believe this brand is by Jastek, Jastek. So I'm going to put the link down below. Go check them out if you want to order one. I hope that you do. The link is down below. Alright guys, thanks for watching.